So hello everyone, we got a package and this is from Flipkart. Let's unbox and see what it is. So it's a watch from Titan and the model number is NS1578YM05 and so its MRP is 3,165 inclusive of all taxes, but we got it for around retail the price. First let's open this box. Got a warranty registration. Where is this 17 digit number? Okay, on the watch. Let's open this watch. So you can see it's gold color watch and not much details are about the model. I think it be something. Let me see if on the back we can find something. No. So yeah, we just have this NS1578YM05 as the model, and this is the time. So I think the SD card has some speed issues, so it has this buckle lock. So looks good. For 800, I think. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Thank you.